same exact location as the address.
I see a whole plan gelling together here, Caleb, on how to actually do this.
Well, I think you guys are overthinking it a little bit. I mean, I get
Dude,
it.
like I've never thought. I knew about VPS. I was like, oh, I can't touch that.
I know, and I've heard Sammy talk about it. I get it, but you
pretty
can't,
much did the same
to build
thing
an
when
eBay account.
going
You
on
can't.
Incognition.
You know, I'm
sorry,
wondering something. You can rent a virtual business address from iPostal One. I wonder if you can use that to make a LLC as well.
Yes,
That's what I did. That's what I
Yes.
did. I lived in Virginia, and when I was getting ready to move to South Carolina, I literally just got on the computer with iPostal. It's actually it's a different name here, and my address is my address, but then I have 535 unit number or suite number 536 537 blah blah blah, and it cost me $12 a month. So
it's very common, and it's not even weird. Most LLCs will have some kind of address like that.
Drop that down for us, then. You know what I mean? Because
if you could give any advice on setup, like, did you just talk to an IT guy?
There's no, I mean, the setup's easy. I mean, they're $12 a month.
Yeah,
You know, so you're picking. I think it's 4 RAM.
Marty was telling me about VPS with Windows VPS host, which is a different one. But you said
I just used the Windows server. I think I picked the 2012 server. I mean, none of that matters.
So you use the Windows server.
what's the name?
Yeah, I'm typing it in the chat. I just want to get it right here for you guys.
I appreciate that.
So I mean, Caleb, I guess that's another strat, if that makes any sense.
Listen, I'm just telling you. I mean, I would never build one. I would never warm one up. I would only do this on an account in good standing for months. And it's got to be a year or more older, and you're just, it's running, perfectly fine. But I would 100%. I have never had a problem on a regular running account on a VPS, just so you know.
So that's what I'm saying.
Right now, Jonathan, I'm assuming, just because I'm running into that issue too, which is why I'm looking into those different, is the address, right? We're running out of address that makes the new accounts unlinked to the ones we already have. Because I'm at 8, I'm already out of addresses.
I agree. That's the issue I ran into. So it was like, maybe I can use other people's homes, but then you get issues with that long term. Maybe I was thinking of renting out like a fractional office or something to get like a suite number. You can get those for pretty cheap. You can get a address like that. Yeah.
Then I got a question. Do you think, like, for example, no, that might not work because the address remains stuck to that account. Like, to be able to, because right now we can't think of a way to reuse an address because it's already linked to an eBay account. So even if we move the eBay account, we'll have the IP liberated. We have some other stuff that will be liberated, but like, we don't have to have it on a physical PC. But beyond that, we still would need other addresses to fire up other eBay accounts. Wouldn't you say? Like, on the scaling side.
You're going to want an address with your LLC, and I would just stick to that. So when you build your LLC, just, get an address, right? You can pay for these addresses if you want, but
we can get like a physical plaza address for pretty cheap.
Yeah, you're just doing and just use that address for all of it. The IP does not have to. I mean, I would have the IP in the same town, but it does not have to be at the same exact location as the address.
I see a whole plan gelling together here, Caleb, on how to actually do this.
Well, I think you guys are overthinking it a little bit. I mean, I get it.
Like, I've never thought. I knew about VPS. I was like, oh, I can't touch that.
I know, and I've heard Sammy talk about it. I get it, but you
pretty much did the same
to build
thing
an
when
eBay account.
going on
You can't.
Incognition.
You know, I'm
sorry,
wondering something. You can rent a virtual business address from iPostal One. I wonder if you can use that to make a LLC as well.
Yes.
That's what I did. That's what I did.
Yes.
I lived in Virginia, and when I was getting ready to move to South Carolina, I literally just got on the computer with iPostal. It's actually it's a different name here, and my address is my address, but then I have 535 unit number or suite number 536 537 blah blah blah, and it cost me $12 a month. So
it's very common, and it's not even weird. Most LLCs will have some kind of address like that. They don't necessarily have to have.
eBay is fine with that, and that's all that really matters.
Yeah. And at that point, you've already warmed it up personally anyways. But IP is separate from an address issue.
Hello?